Okay, a quick explanation of what you call
Interlock.
interlock. Thank you. Yeah, the quick explanation of the interlock. I'm just gonna do it quick. We got 3 contactors, 1, 2, 3, and we got 3 block auxiliary, 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna just demonstrate quick. This is the power from the main. This is a dB. So this is the power from the main. It comes to the red button. This red button is a stopping button. So to number 1. Number 2 of it is going out. It's going to number 3 of the green button. This is the green button. Is the starting button. Number 3. Number 3 is going out from the same button, number 4. Number 4 is coming to the A1 of the first contactor. From the A1 of the first contactor, we do a looping. We're going to put 2 wires. As you see, there are 2 wires here. So this wire, it comes on top of the first pin of the first block auxiliary. Then the out of it is this wire is coming out. This one is going to the A1 of the second contactor. There again, we're gonna do the same looping. Another wire from there is coming to the top block auxiliary. So it's come as out again. Another wire is going to the third contactor, to the A1 of it. So the part of the power we done. So we're going to the neutral. We're gonna just do the looping of the all 3 A2 of the all contactor, 1, 2, and 3. Then we are going to the dB again to pick a neutral there. So that one is done. So from there we're gonna demonstrate. Just gonna check the power if it's in. Yeah. Then now we're gonna start with the green button to start. Make sure if it's working. Yeah. So here now our 3 motors are working. If you can see, all the block auxiliary is down. It means the 3 motors is working. Stopping them here by the red button, then we press to stop. To restart again by the green button, then to stop again. So there's another way that maybe we can connect when you don't have when we don't have these 2 buttons, the stop and start button. So we can still use another way. So I'm gonna still demonstrate how we can use this thing. Another way to connect. Just quick. Okay, now we're gonna demonstrate another way to use to start 3 motors. This we call interlock. I was already explained further. So I'm putting the power back. So this we're using a normal light switch. This one is a normal light switch to drive our 3 motors interlock system. So as I was already explained all the installation, we are picking the power from the main here. This is the power. It comes to the center pole of our switch, our light switch. This is a normal light switch. Then the out of it is going to the A1 of the first contactor. Because the installation was already done, I'm gonna only show the demonstration. So this is the switch. So if I on here, our 3 motors are working same time. So the same switch, if I put it off, the motors are going off. So this is another way of connecting an interlock if we don't have this kind of button, like this starting button and this stopping button. So if you don't have these buttons, we can still use the light switch to drive our 3 motors. Thank you very much. We're still on the interlock. So this is the emergency button. It's like when you wanna stop, if the stopper is no longer working. So here we'll be having 2 red. So this is the emergency button and this one is the stopping button. Don't forget that the green one is the starting button. You are picking the same power from the main. It goes inside this stopping button, the first one. This one is the emergency stopping button. So from the main is coming from the emergency stopping button. There are numbers down there. So power comes straight from the dB, go to number 3 of this emergency stopping button. Number 4 of it is going to number one of the red one, stopping button. Then from there, interlock, it's gonna be working. So I'm gonna show a demonstration quick. So this one is the starting button. We start. The three motors are working. So from stopping, I can stop here to the red button. Now I can restart again here. So if it's like emergency, I wanna stop it by the emergency, I'm just gonna come here and stop it. So I can restart it again on the same button.